home is where the heart is what I've heard my pack say. But for me, my heart is where my pack is. Where they go is my home. Hi, my name is Scotch, professional sock thief, snack inspector, and full-time member of this slightly chaotic family. This house, this was our place. The place where I perfected my zoomies. It's also the place where my brother Zeus and I ruled. Our kingdom. He was the big boss. I am the naughty, slightly chubby one. I've learned so much from him. We conquered every place we went. Now the house feels a little quieter sometimes. But I still check our old spots just in case he shows up for another round of zoomies. One day, something strange started happening. We started frequenting this new place. And our house started getting extra messy. I thought my humans finally learned how to decorate correctly. But they were actually packing. My bed disappeared, my toys disappeared, even the couch cushion that I definitely did not chew disappeared. One day, they took me somewhere interesting. A new place we had started frequenting more often. It seemed so important to my humans, so I made sure to inspect if everything was being done right. I checked everything. Floor, kitchen, doors. Quality control is very important. And then I saw it. The yard. Oh my Beagle. Soil, wind, new smells from about 45 different unknown creatures. This place had serious zoomy potential. I approved immediately. Then one morning, everyone dressed nicely. They brought flowers, lamps, and something that smelled suspiciously like snacks.
Drag it. Turn it off. Good.
The
Right side, huh? Does that have some meaning?
Yeah.
What nice, no?
Yeah, good thing.
Good thing.
Chairs arrived, cushions arrived, and most importantly, my bed arrived. But there were so many better spots to chill at. Balance in the universe has been restored. But honestly, let's be clear about one thing. This house may belong to my pack, but the yard belongs to me. I chose it on day one. Excellent sniffing routes, optimal bird watching. I even made my humans put lights outside here because obviously a king needs proper evening lighting for night patrol. I'm so glad all my friends came out to help us in this big move. Can't wait to find new hiding spots for my bones. Now every evening we sit outside together. The wind moves through the trees. The house feels new but somehow familiar already. I think that's how homes work. It's not the walls, it's the people and the dog. And maybe somewhere out there, Zeus probably approves of the yard too, especially the zoomy potential. My name is Scotch, official house inspector, and I can confirm there may be still a lot of things to set up here, but this new home, approved.